Hello guys, welcome to my new video in the series of C language. We have already discussed till arrays. In today's lecture we will see the basics of pointer, and in the next video we will move into the deep of pointers. So in the first lecture of pointer we will be discussed about introduction and the definition of pointer, what is pointer, then we will move to syntax, then types of pointers, then we will discuss pointer arithmetic. And after this lecture, in the next lecture we will be discussed three parts, that is array manipulation using pointer, advantages and disadvantages using pointer, array versus pointer. So the first topic, that is what is pointer, how we can use it, let's check that. First of all, definition. Pointer is a variable which stores the address of another variable. We have already discussed in the previous lecture that a variable is a storing device, just like bucket. If you put something in this and just like a value, it will store it, and for further use we can access this value, such as pointer. It is a special type of variable which stores only the address of another variable. It doesn't store the value of the variable, it stores the address of the variable. For that we use pointer. Next, the syntax of pointer is, first we write the data type, then the asterisk symbol you can see here, then the pointer name. In the same line we can also in the second line we give the pointer name, then access it with the address of the variable whose address we want to store in this pointer. To retrieve the address we use the ampersand symbol. In one line we can also write data type asterisk symbol, then pointer name is equal to ampersand symbol, then variable. Just like in the example, we have declared a variable a and given it a value 5, then we want to store the address of a in pointer ptr, so we mention the data type, that is integer, after that the asterisk symbol, then pointer name, we use the pointer name as ptr, after that assigning a value of address a. So for retrieving address we use here ampersand symbol. This ampersand symbol gives the address. The star operator, the star asterisk symbol, star, or you may say asterisk symbol operator, is called dereferencing operator. It gives the value, original value from the pointer, and create a normal variable name to a pointer. Okay, for that we use asterisk symbol. So let's do this simple pointer declaration, pointer output of the pointer, how it is printing the address of a pointer. Okay, so let's move to online C compiler and see how it is printing the address. Written the boiler code. Now I am initializing a normal variable, that is a equal to 5. Okay, and want to store the address of variable a in another variable, that is pointer. So for that I will use syntax, that is asterisk symbol, pointer name, I want to give it ptr, then the address, for address I will use ampersand symbol, then variable name. Here the address is already stored in pointer ptr, Now I want to print the address. The address is also always displayed in a hexadecimal format. For that I will use %p as a format specifier. Printf. If you use %d, that is not problem, that also give you the address, but that will not give you the hexadecimal format hexadecimal format address. Okay, %p, then pointer name ptr, because address is stored in ptr. I want to display the address which is stored in ptr. So run this. It is the magic. Here is the address in hexadecimal format, you can see. Okay, now move on to the types of pointer. There are mainly 6 types of pointers available in C language. Rather than these 6 types, there are available other pointers. The main 6 types of pointers are integer pointer, array pointer, void pointer, null pointer, constant pointer, and double pointer. This double pointer is very important, I will say in the later. Now move to the integer pointer. These are the pointer which points to an integer variable. This pointer only stores the address which is of integer data type. The question we have just run in the online C compiler is based upon integer pointer. The data type of the pointer is integer. Just you can see here int asterisk symbol pointer. Here is the int integer is the data type of this pointer, so it is called integer pointer. The next one is array pointer. This is the pointer which points the first element of the array. Data type of the pointer is according to array's data type. It is saying that the pointer which access the address of the array is equal to the pointer which access to the first element of the array. These both are same. Here it is the first element of this ARR array, and if we direct write this ampersand symbol ARR of 0, the address stored in pointer is also equal to without any indexing, just like this ampersand ARR. Okay, we can also see this in compiler. Let's open compiler. This address in a pointer. For that I will use pta. Pit may say p equal to ARR, sorry, ampersand symbol I leave, that is ampersand symbol ARR of 0. Want to see magic? Let's see. If we write ARR or ARR of 0, the both have the same value. I just want to show you. Let another variable name, pointer name pm. You want to store ARR only, no, without any indexing. Want to print both of them. Printf. For pointer we use the format specifier %p /n. For next line p, I want to p, then printf %p, that is of m, I want to print m. If you run this, you will find that these both have the same value. Okay, run this. Yes, exactly same value. You can see here. So this is array in pointer. So let's move to the next type of pointer, that is void pointer. So that is void pointer. This is the pointer that have not been initialized with any value. Data type of the pointer can be any type. If you print, it gives a garbage value. Here he is saying that we will just write in this format a data type, then asterisk symbol pointer. If you print the PTR, then it will give you a garbage value because it is not initialized with any value. For that this pointer is called while pointer. Just want to see, let's go. If this is a pointer and this want to see int a equal to 2, int star p as a pointer, but here I am not initializing it with any value. If I can remove this, also I can remove this because I am not initializing it with any value. If I want to print this, see what printf percentage e, let's clear first this, then run this. What is showing? Nil means it is a while pointer. It is not showing any value. It is rather it is showing a garbage value. It is directly saying that nil. Okay, it is there. This is called while pointer. Next, move to null pointer. Null pointer. These are those pointers that do not point to any memory location. They can be created by assigning a null value to a pointer. A pointer of any time can be assigned the null value. We just return a pointer without integer data type. Without giving an address, we can just write or we can just assign it with the word null, that is null. That means the address stored in this pointer is null. That is called null pointer. Want to see this in code? So let's go and see this in star p, and I want to give the p as null, null, capital null. Clear this first, then run this. Here is also saying nil. Okay, that means the address stored is null in this p. So let's move to the next type of pointer, that is void pointer. Data type of the pointer is void. We already used integer. In integer that you have already seen here integer, or you may write there character, string, float, double. But if you write there void, okay, if you write in the data type as void, then they do not have any associated data type. They are also called the generic pointer as they can point to the any type and then can be typecasted to any type. Okay, it is not important, but you can read this void pointer. Before going to double pointer, I just want to explain something. So for that I want to move this to online C compiler. So come here. If first clear this, if I write here int a equal to 5, okay, here in the space of null I want to store the address of a %a, okay, and want to stop. If I p, okay, it will show the address add, sorry address, okay. So let's run this. Yes, it is showing the address. If we want to, if we listen my word carefully, if we want to print this value 5, using this pointer because the address is stored in here. So if you want to print 5 using this this pointer name, for that we'll use the dereferencing operator, which I've already told, that is asterisk symbol. So let's, for next line I am writing printf. I think it will be in by heart by you, that is percentage f %printf/n. Okay, it will move me to the next line, and I want to print the value of a by using pointer name p. For that, as 5 is a integer type, so I will use percentage d in semicolon, and I told asterisk symbol and pointer name, which will dereferencing operator. Now print this. Boom, this is 5, the value of a. Understand? If we want to print the address, we'll use format specifier %p, and after the comma we will use the name of the pointer. If you want to print the value of the variable whose address is stored, then use the data type of the value, data type of the variable, that is %d, then after comma write the asterisk symbol to dereferencing the value, then write the pointer name p. It will show you the value. Sorry, not here. I want to just comment at this point. So the value whose is stored. Okay, so you can see if I run this, 5 is also showing. Yes, let's move to the double pointer. Let's come to the double pointer. Double pointer, a pointer that stores the memory address of another pointer. What is pointer? First, pointer is a variable which stores the address of another variable. Double pointer is a variable which stores the address of another pointer before the pointer is storing the address of other one's address. Okay, so for that we use double asterisk symbol for double pointer, just like ampersand symbol, pointer 1. Data type, then the asterisk symbol, pointer name. This is for single pointer. For double pointer we will also use asterisk symbol, pointer to 1. Okay, it will be clear if we run this on Let's see compiler. So I have ap this. Okay, I just want to come this part. Okay, if I make a double pointer, of p. Okay, this p, I want to store the address of this variable p. So for that I will a double pointer, double asterisk symbol, a new pointer name, that is, let's give p1. Okay, then assign it with the ampersand symbol, whose address you want to store, p. So use p, and want to display the address, for that use printf %p for address. Okay, use p1 to display the address of p1. Here I am using print f/m function because it will move me to the next line. Now run this. You can finding this. Here you can see the difference, that is this part from after 0 the part is same, but after 0 the f4 e8 is different because it is storing the address of this value, this pointer. Okay, want to display the value stored in A by using pointers. For single pointer I will use here, 1 minute. We'll see, this will be needed. Control V. Let's want to display the value stored in A by using single pointer. For that I will use one asterisk symbol, then the variable pointer name P. Okay, for double pointer I will use double asterisk symbol, isn't it? %d, because the data type of A is integer, so I will use %d. Then double asterisk symbol, then P. Let's run this. First clear this one, then run this. Sorry, something is happening. 1 minute, let me solve this one. By mistakenly I have written the P because the pointer name is P1. I have by mistakenly I written P, so if I change this to P1 then run this, it is giving the answer. This is the address of the A. This is the address of P, which is stored in P1. This is the value of A by using single pointer. This is the value of A by using double pointer. Okay, so let's move to the next chapter, that is pointer arithmetic. Okay, that is pointer arithmetic. I will explain all this in the compiler, so open this, clear this one also. So I'm just writing int here, int A equal to 5. Okay, and want to display 5, print f, normal things. I just want to display A. Then as usual the result will be 5 here also. If I want to add something here, A plus 3, okay, what will be the answer? You say 8. Okay, let's see what happens to the pointer. It is the normal variable, normal integer. If we write a pointer, then what will be the changes will happen? So for that, let's move this one. I am initializing a pointer of integer data type, then the asterisk symbol, then the pointer name. After that, assigning it with the address of A. If I will print what? The address of P. So sorry, %P. Then it will give this thing. Okay, if I will write another line just like before, a plus 3 before I am printing a. After that I will print a plus 3. So here I will print p, then b plus 1. Let's see what is happening. If you want to see the previous example, then I am also gonna write this test p plus 1. Okay, here print print a okay. Let's see. So let's run this. See, first when compiler come to the line number 6, it will print 5. Then when line number 7, it will read the slash n command. Then it will go to the next line. Then it will come to the line number 8. Line number 8, it is have the a plus 3, that is 5 plus 3, that is 8. Then line number 8, that is line number 9 will go to the next line. After that we are initializing a pointer. Then in line number 12 we are printing the address of a, that is this, which is also correct. Let's see how this is printing. Print f slash n p plus 1. This is keeping 74. You just see to the last 2 digits, that is 74, and here it is showing 78. Why? Here a plus 3. If I write a plus 1 5, then if we write plus 1, then it will 6. Then here e4, then e8. Okay, here it is saying that plus 1 is not actually, because it is in hexadecimal format. If we add plus 1, it will add 4, because integer is a 4 byte. If we add plus 1, then it will store the address in after 4 byte beyond. Okay, so if I write plus 2 here, then it will be multiple of 4, that is 8. 54 plus 8, that is 12. In hexadecimal format, 10 is represented as a, 10 is a, 11 is b, and a 12 is c. So for that, 4 plus 8, 12. In summary, we will just say that pointer is a variable which stores the address of another variable. There are available another variable which stores the address of this pointer also, that is called double pointer. To retrieve the address, we use ampersand symbol. To dereferencing, we use the asterisk symbol. To get any value, we use the asterisk symbol. That's all for today. We'll see in the next lecture the pointer versus array, how this is get advantages, how disadvantage this is, and some little questions based on pointer, that is swiping up 2 numbers. That's all. So take care, see you in the next lecture. Bye bye.